In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Calendar invite in Gmail. Even though we'll start in Google Calendar, the invitations are delivered by email, so your guests will receive them right in their Gmail inbox. First, open Google Calendar in your browser and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. You'll see the calendar grid, sometimes called the calendar board, showing your day, week, or month. Find the date you need, then click directly on the time slot when you want the event to happen. This creates a new event card right on the spot, which is the quickest way to set up an invite. Give your event a clear, short title so people instantly know what it's about. For example, you might name it Project Discussion. Next, use the description area to highlight the key details attendees need. This is a great place to add a brief agenda, objectives, or any notes that help set expectations. If there's important context, put it here so everyone opens the invite and immediately understands the purpose. Before moving on, double check the date and time. Make sure the start and end times are accurate and that you're in the correct time zone. Small scheduling mistakes can cause big confusion, so it's worth a quick look to confirm everything is correct. Now it's time to bring people in. Click Add Guest, then begin typing the email address of each person you want to invite. As you type, Google Calendar will suggest contacts. Select the correct address from the list so you don't accidentally invite the wrong person, especially if there are similar names. Next, open Guest Permissions. Here, choose what your guests can do. You can allow them to modify the event, invite others, or see the guest list. If you want to keep control of the schedule and avoid unexpected changes, leave Modify Permissions off. If collaboration is important, enabling the ability to invite others can be helpful. Pick the settings that match how you want the meeting to run. When you're ready, click Save. Google Calendar will ask if you'd like to send invitation emails to your guests. Choose Send to deliver the invite to their Gmail inboxes. They'll receive an email with the event details, and they can respond with yes, no, or maybe. Their responses will appear on your event so you can track attendance. That's it. You've created a Google Calendar invite and sent it through Gmail. Clear title, highlighted details, the right time, the right people, and the right permissions. Everything your attendees need to show up prepared.